Hi, and welcome to C Balance. My name is Eduardo, and this channel was created with the purpose of helping everyone through this pandemic to find ways to reinforce your body by increasing the good energy in your body and detoxifying that negative energy that's been stagnant within your body. So I look forward to sharing with you videos on how to balance your energy through exercises, through videos that you can watch or use as well to potentize your water. You can also watch videos that I'll be creating to motivate you, explain to you things that I've learned throughout the years. I've been researching since 2008 on how to balance the body, what ways are more effective to detoxify as well. And I've put together this program which is very simple. It's very short, but yet very efficient if used on a consistent basis. So feel free to watch the videos, do the exercises as often as you feel is good for you. Always do the exercises based on your health condition. And if you need to consult a doctor prior to doing exercise, is well recommended as well. Send me your comments if you want to just talk with me or debrief, or if you need any additional support. We can always talk about ways to work together. I look forward to collaborating with other channels as well that are focused on helping people balance their energy, live a positive life, live more peacefully, and overall just find the goodness in everyone. So we're all a universal family, and I think we all understand that. And that's what this channel is for, to reach out to the world and just live as a happy family and share thoughts and feelings that makes us stronger, unites us, and motivates us to move forward and share more ideas on how. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.